guys, I'm Nicolle. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new series, Bodhrán at the Cottage. This is another jig pattern and it's the opposite of the first video. Meaning that instead of starting with the traditional and going with modern tipping, we're gonna do modern tipping and ending with the traditional. Okay, so let's have a little look-see. Okay, so the first part is gonna be down, up, tap, down, up, tap. Okay, and because we want to put a triplet the same way that we did on the other one, we're actually gonna go down, up, tap, tap, triplet, down, up, tap, tap, triplet. And the reason is that, remember that the triplet is 2 beats. So if we have 3 and 2 are the triplet, well, we just have 1 beat that we need to play. And for this time, we're gonna do a tap. So it's gonna be down, up, tap, tap, triplet. Down, up, tap, tap, triplet. Down, up, tap, tap, triplet. And after this, down, up, tap, tap, triplet. Oh, and my hand is on the bass, down, up, tap, tap, triplet, down, up, tap, tap, triplet. So tap, tap, triplet. I'm doing it all on snare. Down, up, tap, tap, triplet. 1, 2, 3, 1, triplet. 1, 2, 3, 1, triplet. 1, triplet. Then we end up triplet, and we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your 4, 5, 6 are actually on the pop. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so down, up, tap, tap, triplet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so it's slower. Down, up, tap, tap, triplet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, up, tap, tap, triplet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, up, tap, tap, triplet. 1, 2, 3, very faster. Tap, triplet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, up, tap, tap, triplet. Down, up, tap, tap, triplet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do it. Down, tap, tap, triplet. Check your form. Check your technique. Waterfall. Down, up, tap, tap, triplet. Down, tap, tap, triplet. Feeling. Down. Slow it down. Feeling. Boat. Down, up, tap, tap, triplet. Little bit faster with the feeling. Great, that was so good. So if you guys were like, what are you saying boat, what are you saying waterfall, watch the other video because I talk about the terminology there. So as you can tell, this, even though it's composed of the same pieces, is so different. It feels so different. And that just goes to show it's the groove, the underlying groove is quite different from the other one. It's still a jig, but it feels quite different. It tastes different. And that is what makes it really cool, by making all these different variations and kind of learning these tricks and tips. So now you know another one, a secret one. You can put traditional, modern, or modern and traditional, and they will sound quite different. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and stay tuned for the next video where I show you a little bit more of tipping. Bye!